Good day viewers, welcome to the channel in this series Digital Skills. In today's video we are going to talk about how to use Microsoft Word to build a CV. But before that we are going to talk about what is a CV and tips in writing a CV. A CV is a document that provides employers with detailed information about your skills, your contact information, your professional summary and others. The following are some of the components in a CV. First, we have the contact information, which contains your name, your phone number, your email, a LinkedIn profile, and others. Next, we have the professional summary. In this section, you can summarize your work experience, your certifications, and other important information related to the job or role you are searching for in one or two or more sentences. Then we have the education section, containing the list of your academic history with the date aside. If you have a work experience or you have worked in an organization before, you can keep all those information in this section. Next is the skills section. Skills are very important section in a CV. Make sure you keep a list of relevant skills in this section. If you have a BSc or a diploma or any certification, you can keep it in this section. Make sure you add where and when you attain the certificate. Components like award, career objectives, publications, academic research, teaching experience, and others like the reference can also be added, but some are optional and also additional features to your CV. When it comes to writing a CV, there are some things you need to take into consideration. There are no such things like a perfect CV or a CV that will give you a guarantee employment once you submit it. You can make some adjustments and add some features to your CV to make that possible or almost possible. First and foremost, you need to make your CV very easy to understand and read, and then you need to make sure that your CV is relevant or tailored to the job you are looking for. Next, you need to make sure you arrange your content based on importance. That is, you keep the most important or relevant information on your CV, if possible, in the first page, and then you make sure you get rid of all irrelevant informations. When writing your CV, make sure you maintain a common font. You can make some text bold, underlined, or in a list element, or you itemize other sections like the skills section using bullet points. Cross-check your CV in case of any spelling mistakes or grammatical errors. Don't forget to update your CV. You also need to know that your employer will always cross-check your CV, and mostly they use a tool called A.T.S, which means the Applicant Tracking System. Let's go to our Microsoft Word and start writing our CV. So we'll start by the contact information. It contains a name, address, and other information as you can see. As you can see, the name here is bold and also centered. You can format your CV in a way you like, as long as it is easy and clear to read and understand. Then we have our professional summary in sentence or sentences. We have education, and once you come to the education section, you make sure you add the date, that is the starting and ending date. And then next we have the professional experience. In this section you write any work experience you have attained throughout your journey, and you can do that by writing the title of the job you did, then the organization name, and then what you did in the organization. For example, here we have software developer as the title of the job, and then the name of the organization, which is Greener IT, and then the work experience, which is developed an AI searching app called White Collar, and then we have the date. And next we have the skills section, which is meant for listing relevant skills only. You can make them in bullet form, as you can see. Here. And then we have the certification, which you can see in a tabular form. You can change the style or the format which you want your certification section to be in. We have the title of the certification, and then where we attain the certificate, and then the year of the certificate. Next we have the career objective. Mostly in this section, people insert lively words which shows how passionate they want the job they are applying for. And lastly, we have the reference, which contains the name and contact of person who will give a good recommendation about you. In whichever way you write your CV, just try to make sure it is easy to comprehend and also tailor your CV to the job you are applying for. If you are watching this video and you find this video very helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe for more. Thank you, and see you in the next video.